Sometimes you forgot your Windows administration password or you cannot access to your PC. That is why it needs to break down. Let's see how to break it. And before start the video, if you want to hire me as a network engineer for your remote projects, then you can hire me as a IT support. Please contact me on Upwork or email that mentioned on the description box. Please keep a look. Let's start. I'm going to show that in the hypervisor. If you don't know what is the hypervisor, I already make a playlist on it, how to install it or download it. Please keep it watch, you will be clarified after watching that particular video. At first, you have to go restart your PC and continuously press the space and the F5 button, and after that you will see there is the three option, and then go to the troubleshoot and again go to the cmd prompt, command prompt pop up, and then you have to type the C means C drive, and then type dir in order to find the Windows file to break the password. But there is a no Windows file available there. Then we go to another drive which name is D, and again press dir, but you can see here is the Windows file. So we will working or amplify all the processes on particularly D drive. Type cd windows / system32, and after that type ren utilman.exe space utilman.exe.old, and again type copy cmd.exe space utilman.exe. Utilman is that particular extension which asks for the password. We actually change that extension, and after all the procedures simply close that and restart your PC once again. After restarting your PC, you will see these types of pop-up, and where you have to type the erase of access. When you type the erase of access, you will see the command prompt, and where you have to type the control user password 2, and after amplify this command prompt, you will see that these types of pop-up where you can add or remove the administration group, or you can reset your new password. So if you want to reset your new password, just simply just go to the reset option and apply your reset password, or you can add your another user account. So in that way you can remove or add your password. So as you can see, I just reset my new password and I'm giving that, and it just opened now. So I hope you enjoy this video a lot and you get the authentic wisdom from there, this YouTube channel, and where you will get more authentic wisdom about networking, CompTIA, and also the troubleshooting. Thanks for watching. I hope you learn a lot.